Good day, everybody. How are you all? This is Dr. Nandi. Today we are going to discuss Z-scores. So here I go. A student took two national aptitude tests. The mean and standard deviation were 475 and 100 for the first test and 30 and 8 respectively for the second test. The student scored 625 on the first test and 45 on the second test. Use Z-score to determine on which exam the student scored better. So, solution. Students Z-score for the first test. Z1, Z is equal to X minus mu divided by Z, where mu is mean, sigma is standard deviation. Let me write it in a better way, so I'll erase both of them. Where I will write mu is equal to mean and sigma is equal to standard deviation. So Z, I'll do it over here. So Z in this case, student score on the first test is 625. The mean of the first test is 475. And the standard deviation was 100 for the first test. So which is equal to 625 minus 475 divided by 100 is 1.5. What does it mean? It means the score of 625 is located, is located 1.5 standard deviation above the mean. Deviation above the mean. How about the student score for the second test? Please do not quit right away because I will give you an important tip at the end of this program, which will be very important. So please hang around and please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, where I've solved tons of statistics problem just for you. So this will be not too long. So please stick around till the end and we will then calculate the Z-score. So students Z-score for the second test. For the second test is Z is equal to, what was the student's score? 45, right? If I'm not mistaken, let's take a quick look. Yep, 45. And it was 30 and 8. So 45 was the student's score. The mean was 30 and the standard deviation is 8. So that will be equal to 15 divided by 8, which is 1.875. 1, 1. Oops, let me erase. Oops, let me erase that. It's equal 15 divided by 8 is 1.875. This means the score of 45 is located 1.875 standard deviation above the mean. Above the mean. So let me highlight that. This one is 1.875, the other one. So since 1.875, so let me create some space. And right, since 1.875 is greater than 1.5, therefore the student scored better scored better in the second test. Okay. So the important hint or tip I wanted to give you is that z-score is a measure of how many standard deviation you are above the mean. If the z-score is positive, like in both of these cases, if the z-score is negative, that means how many standard deviation you are below the mean. In this case, in the first test, the student's score is 1.5 standard deviation above the mean. For the second test, the student score is 1.875 standard deviation above the mean for that test. That means in terms of Z scores, the student did a better job in the second test than in the first test. I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. That will keep me motivated to produce more and more videos just for you. And please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. My channel, Math Science Topia, have solved all kinds of stat problems just for you. So you will have free access to those problems by subscribing to Math Science Topia. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow when I'll be back with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Take care.